Good evening, friends. Today we shall discuss the longitudinal stress of a cylinder. Suppose this is a cylinder and this is its thickness. The cylinder will tear along its axis. Tear up. This is tear up portion. So along this axis. So we can find the stress developed in this material of this cylinder, that is, say it is Fx. Okay, this is stress developed on the material of the cylinder. Now, if it is just tear off, its internal pressure is P. Now, if the diameter of this internal diameter is D, then we can write the force developed by pressure equal to P into pi by 4 this d square this is the force, and equal to stress developed in this material of this cylinder is Fx. Then Fx stress means force per unit area, then total area, this area, this ring of this pi into d into t, that is equating. Okay, so this pi and this pi will be out, this d and 1d will be out. So we can find the Fx from here, pressure P into D by 4T, where T is equal to thickness of this cylinder. This is the, here is T. Suppose the cylinder cross section is here like this, its thickness is T, then total area of this ring is pi d into T. Okay, this pi d into T is taken here, and we shall now find out here the stress in this material of the cylinder is P into D, that is diameter, pressure into diameter, pressure inside the cylinder, pressure into diameter by 4T. Okay, this is the longitudinal stress developed at the cylinder. Thank you today.